There is a target on your back. You might not see it, but you can feel it. You walk into a room and the energy shifts. The whispering starts. The eyes lock onto you. And immediately your brain starts to panic. You ask yourself, what is wrong with me? Am I too quiet? Am I too loud? Is it my clothes? Stop. You are asking the wrong questions. What if I told you that the hate you receive has zero connection to your flaws? What if I told you that you aren't being bullied because you are weak? You are being targeted because you are a threat. People rarely attack those beneath them. They attack those who threaten their ego. In the next few minutes, we are going to dissect the brain of your hater. By the end of this video, you won't feel hurt anymore. You will feel powerful. To understand hate, we have to look at a concept from Carl Jung called the shadow. Every human being has a shadow self, a collection of all the things we hate about ourselves, our insecurities, our failures, our shame. Most people hide their shadow, but some people project it. Imagine a person carrying a heavy bag of burning rocks. These rocks are their own self-hatred. It burns to hold them. So what do? They try to throw a rock at you. When someone calls you stupid, they are often terrified of their own lack of intelligence. When someone mocks your appearance, they are usually fighting a war with their own mirror. Think of hate as a confession. Every insult they throw at you is a secret they are telling you about themselves. They aren't fighting you. They are fighting their own demons. You just happen to be standing in the line of fire. But what if you aren't doing anything wrong? What if you are actually doing well? This brings us to the second, and perhaps the most common reason for hate: envy. In Australia, they have a term for this: the tall poppy syndrome. The rule is simple. The flower that grows taller than the rest gets cut down first. Human beings are tribal creatures. For thousands of years, standing out was dangerous. When you start to improve your life, when you get fit, start a business, or simply look happy, you unconsciously trigger a threat response in the people around you. Your success becomes a mirror that reflects their failures. They don't hate you because you are failing. They hate you because you remind them that they are stagnant. Bringing you down is easier than pulling themselves up. So if you are receiving hate for no clear reason, take it as a compliment. It means you are the tall poppy. You are growing, and they are scared. Now, let's talk about the currency of hate: reaction. Bullying is, at its core, an energy exchange. Happy, confident people are self-sustaining. They generate their own validation. But insecure people? They are like emotional vampires. They are empty inside. To feel alive, they need to steal emotions from others. When a bully gets a reaction out of you, when they see you cry or get angry or defend yourself, they get a hit of dopamine. It's a chemical reward. For a brief moment, they feel powerful. They feel like they matter because they controlled your emotions. This is why fighting back with anger often fails. Anger is still a reaction. Anger is still fuel. As long as you are reacting, you are feeding the vampire. How do you stop it? How do you win a war against someone who has nothing to lose? You do it by becoming boring. Psychologists call this the gray rock method. Imagine a gray rock on the ground. It's dull. It's uninteresting. You wouldn't kick it. You wouldn't talk to it. You would just walk past it. When they try to provoke you, you don't argue. You don't cry. You don't explain yourself. You give them zero emotional data. If they insult you, you just say, okay, or that's an interesting opinion. When you deny them the reaction, you starve the fire. Without your anger, they get no dopamine. Without dopamine, they get bored. And when they get bored, they move on. The next time you feel that target on your back, remember this: hate is just love that has been poisoned by envy. It is proof that you possess something they want. Your life is too short to be lived in someone else's shadow. Don't let their noise drown out your music. Let them fight their demons. You keep walking towards the light. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.